everybody, it's Jenny from MedEd again. So the next procedure I'd like to go over with you is how to make an occupied bed. So an occupied bed is a bed made while the resident is in the bed. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a report from my nurse, ask about my resident's needs, abilities, and limitations. Annie is on bed rest and she needs her bed changed. I've knocked on the door, waiting for permission to come in. I've greeted my resident by the name they prefer, identified myself by name and title, explain what I'm doing. Find and gather your supplies, so I've got my linens right here. It's the same linens as unoccupied bed, except you add a drape. So it's a drape, fitted sheet, top sheet, blanket, pillowcase. I've provided for privacy, I've washed my hands, I'm going to wear gloves when dealing with body fluids, and I'm going to use good body mechanics. So I can put my linens in a clean spot of the room, over bed table, bedside stand, or the top of the chair. Hold them away from your uniform when you're carrying them up and down the hallway. First, the rails go up, then we raise the bed. And then bring the bed up to a workable height, which is about your waist. Lower the side rail on the side that you're standing on. And then we're going to drape the resident. Unfold the bath blanket over the top sheet and blanket. Ask them to hold the bath blanket while you roll the sheet and blanket off the bed and remove. Place them in a bag. You can put the bag at the foot of the bed. Since I'm making the bed, I'm going to put them in the seat of the chair. And then lower the side rail on the side that you're standing on. You want to turn your resident toward the raised side rail. 1, 2, 3. Loosen up the fitted sheet, push it snug against their back. And then place the clean fitted sheet right next to it on the unoccupied side. Unfold your fitted sheet and fit your corners. Roll all extra remaining material snugly under your resident's back. Smooth away any wrinkles or creases. Have them roll back on their back. raise this rail. Go to the other side of the bed, drop that rail. Turn them onto the other side toward the raised side rail. Roll your dirty fitted sheet down to the foot of the bed and remove it. Place that in a bag at the foot of the bed or the seat of the chair. And fold a clean bottom linen through and fit the corners. Help them back onto their back, keeping them covered. Unfold the top sheet over the drape. Ask them to hold the top sheet or tuck it under their shoulders. Roll the drape down to the foot of the bed and remove. Unfold your clean blanket over the top sheet. And then we're going to make our miter corners. Miter the corner on this side, tuck it under the foot of the mattress. Pinch your sheet and blanket, aim for that far corner. Tuck the extra under. And then drop. Same on the other side. Under the foot. Pinch sheet blanket, aim for that corner. Tuck the excess. And then drop. Find your resident's feet, pull up on the blanket so they're not tight on the tops of their feet. And then the pillowcase is last. I'm going to take your pillow. Hold it away from your body, roll it off. Pillow is clean, I'm going to put that on the overbed table. Pillowcase is dirty, I'm going to put it in my linen bag. My imaginary linen bag. Put Put the clean pillowcase back on. Reach in, turn it completely inside out. Reach back in, grab the pillow by the narrow edge and pull the pillowcase over it. Put it under their head with the open edge away from the door. We're going to put our bed back down. Put our side rails back down, or where they were when you started. Remember, we don't leave two side rails up. That could be considered a restraint. You want to remove the linens from the room, carrying them away from your uniform. Come back and do those final steps. A, check alignment, make sure they're comfortable. B, make sure the bed's in the lowest position. C, make sure they have the call light and water. D, ask them if there's anything else they need. And E, everybody deserves a thank you, so thank your resident. F and G, find and gather your supplies, clean them to company or facility policy. H, ask how they want those hanging curtains, open or closed. And then I your way out of the room. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to do a visual safety check of my resident environment. I'm going to report unusual findings to my nurse, and then I'm going to document my procedures. Thanks for watching.